Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into a must-have tool for crafters, makers, and DIY enthusiasts. The best heat gun for embossing crafts. The Mini Heat Gun 300W Portable Hot Air Gun in pink. If you're into crafting with resin, working on cup turners, shrink wrapping, or embossing, you're going to want to see what this little powerhouse has to offer. Despite its compact size, this 300W mini heat gun packs enough punch to deliver professional-level results for all your creative projects. Let's start with design and build. At first glance, it's a stylish tool with a pink ABS plastic shell that's not just cute but also high-temperature resistant and durable. The stainless steel outlet ensures corrosion resistance, adding to its overall lifespan. But what really makes it stand out is its portability. It fits snugly in your hand, is lightweight, and includes a retractable metal stand. That means you can safely rest it on your table without the fear of burning your work surface. Now, let's talk performance. This heat gun can reach temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius at the nozzle within seconds. That's right, it heats up fast, which is perfect when you need efficiency during time-sensitive projects like drying paint or popping resin bubbles. Whether you're trying to get rid of those pesky air bubbles in acrylic resin or shrink wrapping for packaging, this tool has the precision and power to get the job done quickly and cleanly. Ventilation is another thoughtful design aspect. Cooling holes are placed on both sides of the tail for efficient airflow. This not only helps keep the tool from overheating but also prolongs its lifespan. With a cable length of 38.2 inches, it offers flexibility and mobility so you're not tied down during your creative process. Functionality-wise, the heat gun is impressively versatile. Use it to melt embossing powders on greeting cards or scrapbook layouts. It's got you covered. It can even be used for plastic welding and drying clay or paint in small areas. The concentrated nozzle helps deliver high heat precisely where you need it, making it ideal for those tight spots and detailed craftwork. Another cool feature is how beginner-friendly this heat gun is. It's easy to use straight out of the box. Just plug it in, flip the switch, and in seconds, you're ready to start crafting. Plus, its quiet operation means you can use it without disturbing everyone around you. A major plus if you're working late into the night. Safety and comfort are not compromised either. The grip is ergonomic and the heat dispersion design prevents overheating, reducing the risk of burns or tool failure. It's a solid blend of safety, style, and performance that meets the needs of hobbyists and seasoned crafters alike. To wrap it up, the Mini Heat Gun 300W Portable Hot Air Gun in pink is more than just a good-looking tool. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about crafting, whether you're creating custom tumblers, removing resin bubbles, or embossing intricate patterns. It delivers reliable, fast heat in a compact and user-friendly design. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're into embossing or any kind of DIY craftwork, this mini heat gun might just become your new favorite tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and critiques of tools that make your creative life easier. Thanks for watching.